We returned to Antarctica in 2024. Starting again in Ushuaia, Argentina, we sailed east to the Malvinas or Falkland Islands. From there we continued another 800 miles east to South Georgia Island. This island had more wildlife than we've ever seen in any one place. We understood why it's also known as the Serengeti of the Antarctic. We then turned south to the beauties and wildlife of Antarctica before returning back to Argentina. It was amazing. Enjoy each episode. Here we are in Cooper Bay.
Zodiac 9.
We're going to reposition here.
What'd you see, dear?
We'll do better on the next one. They all have their backs turned too.
Cooper Bay off South Georgia Island.
Eastern tip of South Georgia.
Saw lots of fur seals, macaroni penguins.
Well, they have some brand new pups here, don't they?
Yeah.
Those little jet charcoal black fellas.
Yeah, look at this one. Brand new.
Do not make a mistake. They are just as ferocious as their dads.
Yeah, like barely born.
See right there, you got a mom and dad and a baby.
Yeah.
Right off the beach. Whoa.
Oh, wow, look at the water. See the elephant seal in the water? Just breaking the surface of the water.
That's a good picture.
It'd be nice for it to calve right now.
So these are the largest free-moving objects that we have on the planet. And I don't know about you, but I think that's mighty impressive. The icebergs that we are seeing right now, particularly on the port side of our ship, they likely hail from the ice shelves in the Weddell Sea. So that will be on the east side of the Antarctic peninsula. The thing about these icebergs is that what you see above the surface is only 10% of the total mass of the entire iceberg. So 90% of the size and volume of that iceberg is still below the ocean surface.
You got the ones right below us? Right below you?
Yes.
Okay. Don't lose your phone. Dave, are you having these?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. That's incredible.
Yeah, me too. I know he's my
Okay, I can't feel my nose.